This is gonna be my first Indian vlog ever. I just haven't ever posted an Indian vlog because I'm from here. So yeah, this is gonna be my first Indian vlog ever. I was just teaching Irandi what thanda means. So we were going to have cold coffee everywhere on food. Oh my god, so much food. Pav bhaji. Dosa. Are you okay?
But I told you that I have tried, right? I didn't like it. This is so much better.
I know.
So much.
It hits you in the throat, but it comes out through your nose.
Yes.
But it's fun.
I'm curious about puri.
Puri is basically the same thing as the roti, but fried.
What liquid?
Roti, you remember roti?
Of course, with this brown thing.
This brown thing is chutney.
What is the puri?
Puri is the bottom. This hard thing.
The tortilla.
Exactly. That's the tortilla. Tortilla. The pani puri you had was pani is water. So the puri is the container and the pani, it's okay. It's okay, just eat it.
Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so fat now, but I don't care anymore.
Shut up, you're not. So you can say like thanda is cold in Hindi. So I was just teaching her the other meaning of thanda, which is like the opposite of someone who's passionate or like energetic. The thanda.
Don't be
Thanda.
thanda. I don't want to be thanda ever.
We don't want to be thanda. We're not thanda. We're garam. Garam is hot.
Okay.
So
Garam.
Garam.
Garam. Okay.
So we are very garam.
It's really
hot.
garam.
It is hot and we are garam. Cut this off, okay? Like don't no, let's not tell my mom. Mumbai, 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 Mumbai. The traffic. Fun times. I love pollution. That is not going on the internet.
Smell of fish.
The smell of fish. I don't think it smells. It smells like Irani, to you, what does Mumbai smell like?
Like city. Totally.
Like a city? Like
Yes.
sure, that's a great answer. Because
Yes.
New York has a distinct smell.
Yes, but
And
I don't like New York smell, you know? It smells bad.
That
Here
smells
it
like
smell
pee.
good like city.
Wow, never heard of anyone say India smells good.
No,
Wow.
New York for me it smells horrible, like pee, like horrible. No, Mumbai, no. Or maybe because I have allergies.
Baby. Babies! I'm missing the group hug. Bachelorette, baby! Shopping day. But in India,
India is different, you know? Like I can see what you're talking about. I think I'm going to feel sad as well when I go back to Vancouver the first day. Because
Maybe.
you know, I mean Mumbai is super light. I think Thailand, you
Very
know,
alive.
we're going to have, I don't know how it's Vietnam, but I mean,
I think Vietnam is gonna be mad. Like I also have never been, but what I've seen, it's gonna have like the
crazy.
vibe. But yeah, right se le lijiye. It's gonna. Oh shit! I should have said it earlier, but it's okay. Vietnam also looks crazy.
okay.
But yeah, time goes by very fast in Mumbai because it's so on the go. That's why I walk fast. That's why I do things fast. That's why I'm like that. But not everybody is.
Like in this, how you call, like wiki mode?
I like it. I just zoned out. I just went into my thoughts and we both were like. Is matching to your dress.
This one?
Bindi. Yeah, pretty. You like?
Yes.
Okay, we can buy this.
Should I take it like this?
Take it, yeah.
Only one?
Yeah.
Okay.
had 10 rupees. I didn't give it 10. How much did you give it?
50.
For me? Okay.
Thank you for taking care of me, Gabby.
I have to let you do it, but then I have to check.
Yes.
Pins, but we need bigger pins.
Okay.
We need we have big pins. Here, this.
कितने
कितने का है?
कितने का
10 रुपए. 10.
10
Cute.
You're
So
the best.
cute.
Delicious breakfast in the morning every day I wake up to. Cheese onion uttapam and chai and biscuit.